Imagine running Python code on a microcontroller without actually running the code on the microcontroller. Which sounds quite stupid, and it actually is. What you can see here is an Atmega 4808 microcontroller, which is connected to a USB to UART converter. To see what's going on with the signals, I also attached a logic analyzer. Up here you can also see what's going on with the signals. On the right hand side you can see some Python code we are going to run. It uses the PyUPDI library to access the microcontroller's programming interface. First, the code establishes the connection to the microcontroller, initializes the port the LED is connected to, and after a short wait it lets the LED blink 50 times. After that it will wait another 5 seconds, initialize the UART interface and send a small hello world message. So when running the code you can see the LED is turning static, and after the wait time you can see that the LED is blinking quite fast. This is now done via the UPDI interface. After another 5 seconds delay, you can see the hello world message in the protocol analyzer. This is completely independent of the code that's stored in the microcontroller's flash, since everything is done via the UPDI debugging functionality. To learn more, feel free to check out my GitHub repository.